YouTube? It is VexReacts, and I'm back with another reaction video. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Today we are checking out JISOO's Earthquake, the dance performance video. Now, we did check out the entire music video, but I'm pretty sure it got blocked on YouTube, and a couple of y'all could see it, but not everybody could see it, so I did post it over on Patreon if you want to go check it out. But today we are getting into the performance video, and I just love seeing the Blackpink girlies with their solo comebacks, and this is one of those comebacks that I really did enjoy. Shout out to JISOO, because this was nice. We got JISOO.
It's me like an earthquake.
This scene is crazy. What the hell? Is the ground? Is it an earthquake? That's low key hard though. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
It hits me like an earthquake.
Bro, I love these Blackpink solo comebacks. I gotta say it. We gotta give these girls they flowers, bro. They doing their thing right now. Like literally every time somebody drops something, I'm focused. I'm waiting for Jennie to drop that Doechii collab. I've been seeing that is on the rise. I am super excited for that. But I checked out the whole entire project from JISOO, and it was actually a solid project. And this Earthquake song is solid as hell too. I gotta learn the dance challenge. It's not that hard this time. I'm still trying to figure out what she mean by you give me the good from every angle. Cause I done heard this from an ex before, and I didn't know what it meant when she said it, but it felt like a compliment. My favorite part of this song.
It hits me like an earthquake.
Grace. I think I'm about to. Bro, one thing I will say about this performance video is how easy it is to focus on JISOO. I don't know who did this choreography, but I feel like sometimes your eyes get caught up in looking at all of the stuff going on the screen. But I feel like in this performance video, it's very, very easy to pay attention to JISOO because the background dancers aren't doing anything ridiculously spectacular. And obviously she's the focal point, but at the exact same time, like it's effortlessly easy to look at her. With so many dancers too.
It me like an earthquake.
I'm gonna. You go, JISOO. We proud of you. That was actually super, super good. I definitely did enjoy that. Did y'all enjoy the JISOO project? I definitely did. My ratings are up over on my Patreon. I did do the actual earthquake music video, but it got blocked. I think only like 40 people ended up seeing it. It is over on the Patreon if you want to check it out. Hopefully this don't get blocked, but if it do, oh well, I can't do much. But I did enjoy it. This performance video was very, very smooth. Like I say, it was very, very relaxing and easy to just focus on JISOO because I felt like the dancers really complimented her on this practice, you know what I'm saying, or performance.